I've been walking through the fire with a heart that's full of scars. Every dream I tried to hold felt like reaching through the dark. I've been falling, I've been shattered, lost myself 1,000 times. Every tear I tried to hide left a storm inside my mind. I was losing every battle, but I never lost the war. I've been standing on the edge now of a life I barely know. Every step I take forward feels like letting go of hope. I've been drowning in the silence where my voice used to be loud. Now I'm screaming through the pain, but I'm still not backing down. Even when my heart is weak, even when I'm out of breath, I haven't given up yet. They say I should walk away, they say I should be afraid, but they don't feel what I feel. They don't know what's real. I was born to fight, even when it breaks my soul, even when I lose control, even when it takes it all. I was born to fight, through the fire and the pain, through the storm, through the rain, through the voices in my brain. If I fall 1,000 times, I will stand 1,000 more, because this is who I am. I was made